Mine is titled An Overview of Oblique Sounding from Chirp Ionosondes. So for this conference, I kind of wanted to do something really brief because I was having some complications with what I actually wanted to do. But I still learned a lot from it. So basically, I looked at ionospheric sounders, more specifically chirp sounders. I talked a little bit about what it's used for, why it's important to radio wave propagation, and also important for like scientific research. I also talked a little bit about the Personal Space Weather Station and how ionosonde recordings are like implemented into that. For the ionograms themselves, this is actually from the GNU Chirp Sounder 2 software package by Yuha. So that's actually what I used to make those. These ionograms they come from a chirp sounder that's located in Springbrook Township in Pennsylvania, and the chirp signals there are transmitted from the relocatable over-the-horizon radar that's in Chesapeake, Virginia.
Okay.
So in future work, I hope to modify this program to this software to kind of be able to identify like more transmitters rather than, because this one we kind of filtered it out just for Virginia. I want to be able to like color coordinate it and everything so that it actually identifies the different transmitters. So
Gotcha. Okay.
soon, hopefully.
Soon, yeah. Work in progress. Good job.
Yep, thank you.
Good job, thanks.